What's up, everybody? It's your boy StrcutureFX back at it with another video. I know it's been a while, but today we're gonna go over Australian dollar versus yen. Uh, it literally only happens to me, guys. Not every trade is perfect, but this definitely is the true definition of not every trade is perfect. Like literally, not every trade is perfect. So as you can take a look at my screen, I've been for quite a few days already. I've been pretty consistent and profit this specific print, and it's been working at input beauty on me. But like, I might go ahead, I might say not every trade is in the trade on nobody. So even if you start trading, make sure that it's one of the things fear your emotion. Trading strategy, the emotions as well. Make sure. Let's get back to that. But don't forget about the motivation part. But see this trade, and this is just a few trades that you guys can take a look and see over here. Give me 1 second. The lighting is bad. I think that's better. So for this one, as you guys can see, I lost this trade. I did 50. I lost only about 20 pips on it, but then I gained 53 pips on pips. So it kind of made out for this one. 2 pips last night. I'm just gonna let it play out. Go to sleep. I would have been okay. I would have found it, and I'm like, okay, I was wrong. But it just woke me off, and then I might go ahead and zoom. Just 15 minutes of literally like this morning after the move for retest before I. But as you ratio, I'm not meaning for 30, actually getting like right over here. I saw how price was let it play. Saw all this more. I'm like, confident in this trade actually, like 100% confident in this trade. So I'm like, I'm gonna go to bed when like, like I said, even if it wasn't, if I was wrong, but I like freaking way. Fine, I didn't have this straight line over here. I like wake me off, and then it went into profit. 25 pips to make 30 pips. As you can see it in my screen, but look. Bro, not even a whole pip. It was like zero went my way. Put it down. That was my stop. And it'll be even numbers you left at 83, 019, 020, give it. Like I would have been just right. But oh well, it's just things happen in the market. I was pretty upset. Well, I wasn't upset. When I woke up and I saw that happens, overall I was right. You know what I mean? My stop loss is just what stuff like that. It went my way. So if you're good in that part when I place the trade line, just gotta stay consistent and play. Another buy on GBP JPY, and I'm gonna go ahead and so for this one was a beautiful trade. I'm gonna go ahead and show you that. It also made up for the one I lost, you know what I mean? Where's my computer? Let me see. All right, I'm back. I think my computer was dying, so look at this beautiful trade, guys. Like I'm risking like 16 pips to make 70 pips. That's how like man. It's like a 1-to-4 raised to reward ratio, 1-to-5 raised to reward ratio. See how beautiful this trade is? I literally just waited for it on the 15-minute for price to come down, and I just got in overnight. I got in last night. Woke up in profit. I waited for price to come. I waited for price to come out to this over here. I was watching it as price was over here. I was like, damn, I missed the boat. So I just was patient and I waited. It came over here. I missed it again. I would have gotten in over here, maybe possibly, and then I would have been on this drawdown, right? But I was waiting. I became patient. When the time came, boom, I got it right off this candlestick over here. I saw this rejection. I saw this, and keep in mind this was in the 15-minute support and that I got. This is the 15-minute support that I got right here. And then I just happened to extend it as I saw this move over here, you know what I mean? But I just saw this perfect opportunity. It was almost no, I was in a drawdown position for a few minutes, and then boom, it started going my way. And I like, it's about 70 pips now. I would not continue to buy unless it breaks this resistance, which is a 4-hour resistance that I drew. If it breaks above and it holds, then I could potentially take it a little bit further out. But if it does not hold, then I'll be looking for a sell, possibly coming back down to this 15-minute support resistance that we have right here. So this is my 15-minute support that I drew. Remember, lower time frames are not as strong as the higher time frames when it comes out to support and resistance, you know. So, but it is definitely a good areas to watch and to look in order if you want, if you're trying to get into a wave that you had already moved, you know. So, like I say, I would not be getting into a buy unless it breaks above this resistance, which is my 4-hour resistance, and it holds. But if it does not hold and it gets rejected over here, then I could potentially see it coming back down to this level. And if it breaks down this level, then bring it down to this 4-hour support, and then boom, shoot back up. You know, it's just like back to retesting. You know, I'll probably do that. But if it doesn't, then I could potentially look for a buy and for the day. You know, pardon me. All right, guys. So that's it for today. I just want to show you guys about this trade. It is a live market right now, so this is New York session, so make sure if you're not getting the bread, make sure you're getting it. Make sure you're up. If you haven't made it, I don't know why you're sleeping. So wake up early and get on the charts and let's get all these peeps. Thank you guys. I'll be coming out with more videos. There was just a random video that I just happened to have to solve this trade that I got in and it took me out. I decided to make a video about it and can explain and went over it a little bit. If you guys want more content of a specific topic in the trading game, I don't know if Fibonacci, support and resistance, supply and demand, which is kind of similar, but it's not. Trend lines, indicators, anything, just let me know in the comments below or shoot me on my personal Instagram, shoot me a message on Snapchat, and I got you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and understand that in trading game, you're not always gonna be 100% sure, 100% right, but you will for sure make your money back if you stick to your plan. All right, I'll catch you guys next time.